This generator exhaust extension silencer kit stands out for working with a wide range of portable generators thanks to its 3 adaptable connectors and included sealing materials. The special grille design noticeably cuts exhaust noise by more than half, making the generator far more tolerable in residential or campground settings without choking performance. Construction using aerospace-grade alloy and galvanized steel, along with a protective coating, gives the kit a solid, long-lasting feel that holds up well to outdoor use. The insulated through-wall mounting plate makes routing exhaust outside a shed or garage much safer and cleaner than improvised setups. Installation is straightforward for most users, typically taking only a short time with basic tools and no major modifications to the generator. Overall, this kit delivers a quieter, safer, and more durable exhaust solution that makes running a portable generator less intrusive and more user-friendly.